What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. You're watching another Izzy's review. So I'm super excited because today is the first time that I am going to put on press-on nails. So I think like this is a rage or something that's going on, like everyone, because of the pandemic and not being able to go to the salon, everyone's ordering like these press-on nails. So I've been seeing them on Instagram, and I'm not gonna lie, I was like, I don't mind this. I want to, you know, for date night or a photo shoot, have the ability to glam up real quick. I mean, I have my caterpillars, y'all know that's what I call my my fake eyelashes, and so I said, why can't I have some fake nails? So I ordered these from Amazon. The link will be in the description. I am so happy because I have a little Amazon store now. So yeah, check those out if you want to snag them for yourself. But the point of this review is just to show you how I put them on and how I make it easy peasy, because they're not that bad. They're not horrible, but I need tweezers because I really am not good at manipulating little things with my hands. So let's dive in and watch me put on my press-on nails for the first time. And remember, be graceful and kind with me, because I am not gentle and I'm not elegant, and you'll see. Just watch. So right here, straight out the gate, I'm separating the nails and trying to find the best match. It is really a great idea to do this part first. Figure out which nails fit which finger, because you don't want to be fumbling around trying to match the size up when you have half your press-ons on and the other half off. So yeah, make sure. And also, it was so hard to try to make sure I stayed on camera. Doing this for the first time and also trying to film was kind of challenging. So the time it took for me to do this was probably 30% more, and I have this on two times speed. So I did speed it up, and I was trying to be very deliberate with my actions so you can see exactly how I matched my fingernails up and you know, the process, because I wanted y'all to see it with me. So it probably won't take this long, but again, me trying to film and me trying to test it out was kind of challenging. So just bear with me, but I promise it is worth the wait. So I'm almost done. I have my 10 nails for my 10 fingers, and they're in the order from pinky to thumb. Like in my head, I was matching it up so I can just grab it. But as you'll see as it goes on, they kind of get mixed up a little, but it wasn't that hard. So these are like little jellies. And I opted for the jelly because I didn't want to wear them that long. And all the reviews said the jellies, you could just soak them off with some soapy water, and the glue is a little harder to get off. And I know, because I use my nails all day and I'm always washing my hands, always doing dishes, I wanted to opt in for the jelly. So this is a technique that I'm trying, that where I just place the jelly first and then peel off the adhesive part and then place the nail. So you will see later on that I switched the technique up. Always press, and get a good firm hold on there. And you'll see I'm using my tweezers to peel off the jelly and place it on my nail to line it up as best as possible, because again, I'm not really good with my hands and I'm kind of shaky. So I'm also using the tweezer to pull off the little plastic part that separates the adhesive. So I'm pressing it on, and you'll see in a moment that I'm going to try and just add all the adhesive, all the jellies first, and then I was going to place the nails all at once. And I felt like this technique was a little bit better than doing the nails one by one, because like I said before, I don't want 5 fingers with nails and then 5 fingers without nails. It will be hard for me to pull this little clear part off right there. So we'll get to that part in a minute where you'll see me add all the jellies and then pull the clear part off one by one. So another tip with this is to really press the corners to get that clear adhesive protector off. Focus on the corners and it should be a little easier. Let's see what we have going on. I'm still trying. I'm so sorry that's not on camera. You can't see it. But I'm going through, taking pressing the jelly to my nail, taking the adhesive off, and then adding the nail. This one was a little crooked, so I tried to wiggle it around. So be careful that it's the correct way before you place it, because once it's on there, it's kind of hard to straighten it out. So we got one more to go on this hand. Going back to my tweezers, pulling the little jelly off, and then placing it on my fingernail and removing the clear protective part off the adhesive. So another pro tip is to always wash your hands first, dry your hands, remove oils and lotions and hand sanitizers, because you want to get a good stick with that adhesive. I like to dry my hands with a microfiber towel. It doesn't leave any fuzzy stuff behind, and it doesn't leave much behind, and it really absorbs the water. So, and it also pulls any excessive oils that I have off my hands. So this is the technique that I was talking about, adding all the jellies. And then, of course, right here, I forgot that that's what I was doing. And I started to take the clear adhesive protector off. So I forgot that I wanted to do all 5 fingers, put the adhesive, and then add the nail. But I kind of got overzealous right there. So you see me going back to the jelly part. And I left that pointer finger on my right hand undone for a reason, because as you can see, I'm pressing with that finger and I'm using that finger to manipulate things. So I really wanted to keep that finger last, because I'm not a fan of super long nails. I like to be able to type, wash dishes, tie my shoelaces, go to the restroom. So the press on option is great for me, because I'm a person that I break a nail probably every day. I break my toenails every day. I'm always running into things. I'm super rough, and I use my hands so much within my business, within my house, all of that. So another thing about the press on nails is, if you notice that if you have any nails, you can see them on the inside. And I'm going to show you at the end how you can see your real nail if you flip your hand over. So if you don't care about growing your nails out, I would suggest to cut your nails down. And another thing about my nails that really sucks, and this is why I don't get them done as much as I used to, my nails grow up. And I thought it was just me, but my nail technician, she pointed it out too. She's like, "Oh, you're so cute. You know, your nails grow up." And I said, "I know, I hate that. I thought it was just me." And she said, "No, it's rare, but it's not uncommon. The fact that my nails don't grow down, they grow up." So you say, okay, what's the big deal? The big deal is whenever they start to grow past my fingertips, it lifts whatever I have on my nail. The acrylic, it lifts it, and water gets under it. So because I wash my hands so much, it doesn't last that long. They just come off. The what is it? The powder, SNS, that lasts the longest for me, because the water doesn't really get under there as quickly. But oh my gosh, whenever I get a full set with acrylic, or whenever I do gel, it doesn't even last a week. The water gets under there when my nails start growing, and they just start popping off, because they aren't there's not a sealed bond preventing that water from getting trapped under my nails, if that makes sense. So here we are attaching the last one. Oh my goodness. Y'all, thanks for listening to my story and me complaining about my nails. But how cute. Like, seriously, seriously, like probably 10 minutes. I could do this in the car as we drive to where we're going. Put these nails on and look at, I was trying to say, and in no time, I'm sexy. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any amazing content. Thank you guys so much for helping me grow this channel. Drop any recommendations for any videos below. And like always, until next time, with much love, mwah, Izzy.